Hey NASCAR fans, thanks for tuning in to Game Over for your daily NASCAR Heat 4 quick race. Remember, we take a practice lap and then a couple of laps around the track for a quick race, hitting a different track with different vehicles every day. So thanks for tuning in. If you like what you see, press the subscribe button and let's go racing. Good afternoon, racing fans. Today, we are in Brighton, Colorado, as usual, at the Game Over NASCAR studios, where we bring live action racing to you every day. Today, we are back in the Gander Truck Series. I know everybody's saying, why are we constantly doing trucks? Why are we constantly doing trucks? Well, we're going to change that up pretty soon. We're going to definitely change that up. We're going to start going to a random race of the day where we're going to have a randomizer, and it's going to pick the track and the type of vehicle we're running. But today, I wanted to specifically run this the way it is because I want to run a very specific track, a track that I hate, a track that is a nightmare to me. So today, we are going to run as Clay Greenfield. And we're going to run a track that's coming back to haunt me, Bristol. The short of the short tracks. Bristol is just brake, brake, gas, brake, brake, gas, brake, brake, gas. We're definitely going to do a practice lap, and we're definitely going to do a qualifying lap. When we do the practice lap, it'll be for your enjoyment and entertainment. Let's take a look.
You're clear of pit road.
Oh, yeah.
Car there on the outside. Clear high, clear high.
See,
Back it down, back it down.
I cannot drive this track. Gas and go, buddy. Gas and go. Can't stay up on the track. All right, we're going to come in after this.
All right, you're clear.
And Bristol, if you notice, has pits on both sides of the track. So it all depends on what side
Driver,
you're
wake
in.
up. Wrong pit lane.
Oh, see? Wrong pit lane. You got two of them. I screwed that pooch. All right, let's do a practice lap here. We're going to go back to the garage. We're going to continue. We're going to go to the next session. And it's going to say we're going to start qualifying. Here we go.
All right, driver, dig.
Yeah, great. What is it, 8-second lap or something?
Qualifying. Make it count.
There we go. Short track, baby.
You're going too fast.
Oh, I know. I come up into that thing all the time.
All right, time's up. Let's do
Oh,
replay.
that's horrible. 14th. 14th. This is going to be a short, quick race for today because it's a short track. All right, let's. Nighttime at Bristol. Ain't no time to be driving this track. You know that.
Drive safe. Be
Here we
smart,
go.
Keep your head on straight.
Getting ready to go.
Almost ready now. Green, green, green. Looking inside now.
His packet's tight too.
Car there on the inside. All right, you're clear there. Clear low there.
Oh, it's like bumper cars. Oh, look at that. I'm about to go kart track. Mom.
You got room. You're clear. All right, you're
Yeah,
clear.
I kind of pushed my way through that. Wasn't too cool of a driver there. See ya. Just fell back out again. You come around that turn and you come really fast, and it's like you're going to slingshot by everybody, and then you lose it.
I need 2 more solid laps, bud. Keep it going.
Oh, come on.
Outside. All right, you're clear there.
Oh, see? Oh.
All clear.
Pass on
One
that
more to go.
straightaway.
You're clear all around there.
Crofton. Come on, Matt. Move. Move, Matt Menards, Crofton.
You got room. You're clear. All right, you're clear there. A top 5. Awesome.
All right. Starting on the pole at 14th, coming out at number 4th. In Bristol's not horrible. It's not great. I hate this track. But we ran it. We raced it. Tomorrow we will start doing our random track of the day. Thank you for watching on Game Over.